Look what got here. Our new hitch for the camper. Wow. That looks fancy.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell everybody which hitch this is.
So it's the Gen Y fifth wheel to Gooseneck auto latch executive hitch.
And what's the weight capacity?
25,000 pound towing weight capacity and 4,500 pound tongue weight capacity.
Is that enough for us?
Should be. So our GVW for this trailer is 21,000.
After weighing it with like full tanks and like our stuff in it, it's more of like what?
25.
Which is why we got the
23.
23. So that's why we got the bigger hitch.
Step one, we got to take our lock off our old one. Okay, so the real first step is to take all your like little accessories off your hitch. We got the breakaway. I got one switch I wired in and then one little wire mount. Other than that, we're ready to unbolt it. You just got to get those couple things off, and it's pretty simple install, really. It's just heavy. Okay, two 15/16 sockets to get the big bolts out.
So in order to get this hitch off, since neither one of us are Superman or anything, we're gonna try just backing the truck up underneath it, putting some boards underneath to rest it on, so then we don't have to lift it, because that's probably the safest way to do it. Piece of cake. So like I said, we're not Superman. So this is what we came up with to lift the hitch up to the camper. So we put two ratchet straps on either side on the back, and then we're just gonna ratchet it up, I guess, as far as we can so we don't have to lift it all the way. We can be ingenuitive sometimes.
Hook the truck up, let's go.
I don't think it works like that.
You ready?
Yeah. Doesn't matter which hole.
Okay. Now try to get one in this other side. Okay. Now, take the front ones out and we'll pivot it on the back ones. Okay, let me see that impact. Oh, sorry.
One more.
Yeah, we gotta go buy 4 more bolts. So our old hitch had 5 on each side. This one has 7 on each side. That's why this hitch can be rated at 25,000 instead of 21,000, or part of the reason anyways.
All right, so we went to the hardware store and got the bolts, and then we had lunch, and now we're gonna put them all in, tighten them all up, and then we're done.
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't so bad.
I mean, I still gotta mount the breakaway, but that's about it.
Okay, cool. Let's tighten some bolts then. All right, all done.
Well,
We can almost move our house again. What do you mean, well? Oh yeah, the brake thingamabobber.
Yeah.
Okay, besides the brake thingamabobber, we're done.
Thingamabobber.
I don't know what it's called. I just know that it does the brakes. And that is how you install a Gen Y gooseneck hitch. Pretty simple. We just used the tools that we had and made it work with what we had. Don't forget to also like this video and then subscribe to our channel, guys. Thanks. So not sure how this is all gonna go. We're about to hitch up with the new gooseneck hitch for the first time. So we're heading out of here and we're gonna see how that's gonna go, because it has to go up quite a ways in this particular spot to get to where the truck height is. Seems like this is really low, but I don't know. I'm sure it'll be fine. It's just new things give me anxiety.
See what it did?
No, what is it?
these moved.
Oh, I didn't notice. Oh, yep. That's the suspension.
If you look right there, you can see the square.
Okay.
Do you see it?
Yeah. The suspension part of it,
So
I
there's
guess.
4 pieces of rubber in each one of these, and it squishes on it like a torsion axle. And then so this will go up and down for suspension.
So each one of these like pivot points moves.
Yep. So this will pivot like this as we're going down the road.
Oh. Okay.
So we just did our first trip with the Gen Y hitch, and so far I really like it, except for I think they set me up with one that was a little too light. I think I probably should have went with the next higher up model, because I think we're like maxing out the torsion thing. But other than that, it's a super high quality hitch, a lot less bucking. Hooking it up is a little bit more of a pain just because it's a gooseneck instead of a fifth wheel. But quality is there. It's a great hitch. I just need to do something about the needing a stiffer torsion or whatever. But I did the calculations right and like weighed it and weighed the pin weight and everything, so I'm not sure what happened there. Other than that, it's a great hitch, tow's great, no bucking, and we love it. And Gen Y is great to work with.